Are you looking for a dentist, dental clinic, medical or any type of dental service website? Or a blog, CMS, or landing page website for your dental department or dental practice? Introducing TNC Dento, the best Webflow dentist template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.themencode.com. Here, you need to search TNC Dento. Take a look at our TNC Dento template is listed. Here you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of TNC Dento. TNC Dento offers a unique design that conveys professionalism in your dental practice. This template has a sleek and modern design that immediately attracts visitors' attention with clean layouts. You can display images and text beautifully on every device with our touch-friendly sliders. TNC Dento offers a high level of customization that sets it apart. You can bring your designs to life with background videos. This template has all the sections that a dental or dentist website should have. TNC Dento provides a customized built-in database for your project. It ensures compatibility and performance, that's why your website will load faster and keep visitors engaged. With a user-friendly design and integrated appointment booking features, TNC Dento is the perfect solution for your dental practice. Now, let's see how to use TNC Dento. This is our template TNC Dento. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here, you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now let's customize the nav menu. For this, I need to double tap on navbar and select the nav link what I want to change. Here, I replaced this name from About with Home. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection, or URL. After that, you can easily change all of these hero images. Just select the image and click on Replace Image option to change the image. You can change each image in the same manner. Then, you can easily customize or change this hero heading text and the hero paragraph. Here I just select the text and replaced it with, "Welcome to Themencode LLC." After that, here, I also replace the hero paragraph too. Let's customize this button. Here I select the button and change the button name from Book Appointment to Click Here. You can also change the button link, page connection, open type, or URL. After that, you can easily change any of these dentist icons. Select the icon and you will get option for Replace Image option. This is our news section. All of these are coming from CMS items. If you want to change, edit, or delete any of these content or any CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS item management, click the I button of this video, or I can attach the video link in the description box. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph. Here, I rewrite this footer paragraph. You can edit or change each social link or icon. So, you can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template as per your requirements, and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow dentist template, get TNC Dento, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themencode.com.